$6.99, $6.79 in California. Eureka $6.98. Damn. They taxing like a mother. $8 a gallon where? I don't want to go over there. Who got some gas for $10.99? Ain't no gas $10.99. They ain't got enough room to put 10. Do they? Damn, it's $10 in Kentucky. Why they doing y'all like that? Y'all got money over there? $7.30 for premium. $8.99. Let me see, y'all. We got vets up here. A couple more cars. I kind of do, Look out. I think I'm gonna go pull that Caprice. They probably charge me $10. Hey, look out. Anybody want to donate? Anybody trying to? This is how we do it in the hood. We sit on top of the car and let our legs in the T-top. We got it all in the T-top. Got the lookout racing hat. You know what I'm saying? It's going down.
James Brown.
It's like James Brown, man. Got my boy in this whole SS. He been doing this thing. I like how he got it. Yeah, they acting up in these things here. I like it. I like it. $20 a gallon. Bro, they all look stock. Nah, not all of them. Hey, miss, how you doing? Oh, that's my boy in there. I thought there was somebody. Never mind. Here, tell your uncle or somebody, miss. Already. She gonna tell her uncle. This car ain't stock. Look, he got bead locks. Damn, gas $5.30 in Indiana. I guess I don't gotta do no complaining. Damn, do they got E85 in India? Do you think KFC still open? Nah, they closed. Damn, it's only 11. I ain't even started charging my phones up yet. Well, I know I do want me some tacos and some corn tonight. Boy, I'm gonna tear that shit up. I'm gonna get me some tacos and corn. I need to go and start. $4.50 in GA. Yeah, I was like $4.70. I just paid $4.30 for E85. I was like, damn. I had to fill that Caprice up. That shit then got higher. It's gonna be $100 to fill up cars in a minute. Okay, what we got working over here? Look out. Yeah, I got it. You on my YouTube channel, right?
Yeah, I already got you.
Okay, you on there too? Okay, what about you over here? Yeah, make sure y'all suscríbete a mi canal. Dale me gusta. Dile tu tío, dile tu tía, abuelito, everybody. Tell everybody. Yeah, I've been learning. And notifications es todo. Yeah, I got everything. Nah, I'm getting everything. I got all my goddamn words. Got all my words. It don't matter. I don't care. I'm finna get them all. Oh shit! Hey, mira! Look out! My YouTube channel. This my YouTube. Oh yeah, that's you. Damn, how you know? What's your name? Here, we got a new one for you. Who? Kush.girl. Oh, you be on that Kush? Kush.girl. On Instagram, y'all. Follow her, y'all. She running. Follow her, Kush.girl. Ooh, that motorbike. Uh-oh. That motor. Hey, girl. Oh, motor about to blow. Hey, man, I was betting with you, man.
Yeah,
Funkertown said it looked like that other truck was in front. He gonna come check it.
Funkertown to come down here to Yello Belly, we can get it.
Yeah. All right. Bet. See. Motor about to fall out. Huh? For midnight?
Yeah, midnight.
Oh shit. Damn, he finna run this. Damn. He finna run this.
But hey, look out.
Huh?
I'm gonna run this old truck back here.
Yeah, I heard. He just said he happy to run y'all.
I'm gonna bust him in his ass.
Alright. They said they finna bust him in his ass.
I am finna bust him in his ass.
Okay, we finna see. Nate Drift said, chill out, bro. She's my girl. Greg Jones. Damn, is he for real? What's up with it, man? I'm sorry, shit. Can't blame a brother for trying. Already. I got some cool people be on my live streams. They don't be wanting to argue all damn day. He said, hey man, that's my girl. He said, oh shit, my bad. Don't blame me for trying. You got good taste. He just wanted the taste. Her mom did a good work. Yeah. Go get your car. Hey, pop, drop it. Push dog girl. Pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop it. It's cool, bro. We getting married tomorrow. Damn. How y'all doing today? Y'all happy? Y'all having a good night out here? Yeah. Already. I see y'all that came back. Yeah. Already. Y'all picked the same seats. You got a good little spot. Is it one missing? Yeah, let me have some then, sister. Yeah, I've been wanting some of these fruit snacks anyway. I'm finna tear these up, y'all. Sponsored by the pretty young ladies that start coming up here. Already. Oh yeah, make money, not friends, y'all. Get that money then. Oh, them fruit snacks good. Boy, that fruit snack good. I need to go buy me some now. Yeah, that shit was good too.